Hello, hello everyone. Today I'm going to showcase my new project, which is a QR code generator. My actual project overview is a creative web publication where users can enter any text or URL, and when they click a button, instantly get a downloadable PNG image of a QR code generated from their input, which can be which is scanned through your mobile. It shows the link and redirected to the official website that you have been shared. The technology stack I have used is Flask to build a simple web server and UI. Another is QR code Python library to generate the actual QR code. And I Dockerize the website to anyone can pull the image from the Docker hub and they can easily run from their official port. So let me go through my project. Then how the you have wonder how this project runs. So I can simply explain that how my project works. The user visits the web page served by the flags, which is your local web ID, which is 171.1.0, which user enters the text and clicks generate QR. Flask sends that text to a backend route. Python QR code library converts it to PNG QR code, and then Flask sends the image back to the browser for viewing and download. So let me explain my code line by line. So in my QR code generator folder, I have three different folders, which is static, templates, and a virtual environment, including these are the my virtual environment, which is my library scripts and my configurations and my app.python file, which is my Python file which is used to create my application, and this one is my Docker file which I use it to Docker. So let me confronting with my index.html file. This is a title called QR code generator and font family area and sans surface. Text align to the center and pad it on 50x. It's with this sorry guys. It's with this 30px and 10px. Padding is 10px and font size is 16px. And you can see that my heading one is QR code generator. I created a post method to generate the QR code generator. And I text to and enter I created a button called submit button, which is generate QR code. After I texted my message into the QR, it generated the QR code by clicking the generate QR code button. So let me explain the app.py. So from Flask, I import Flask data template request and send file. It can be used to rendering the template and requesting file from the users and sends file and redirect to the QR code generating. So what I have done is it requests the QR code test from the image viewer and converts it to the IO.py files to image.png. Which this line converts the images. This line is used to convert the text into the image and returns the image as PNG and as a downloadable QR code image generator, which it runs on the localhost 0.0.0 and the port 5000. And this is my QR code. This is the where my QR code got generated. So after it running, the image is generated in the qr.png. So I dockerized my file, which is official configuration of Python 3.11 slim in the working directory of slash app. So you can see that my working directory. So this is my working directory of slash app, and another one is and I installed a button. To install a button, this is and pip space install hyphen no cache director, and this install the requirements of my all the file in my Docker and exposes into the port 5000. To run the app, I use emd of python app.py. So let me demonstrate my app. So let me demonstrate of my application. So first I need to go to my folder of QR code generator. So let me show my working model of QR code generator. So let me go to the official folder of my QR code generator. Sorry. So it's my QR code generator folder. First I need to create my a virtual environment to run my application. So the command is python hyphen virtual environment space virtual environment. So VNV is nothing but short form of virtual environment. So it created as a virtual environment. So after created by the virtual environment, I need to activate the virtual environment. So command for that is virtual environment slash scripts slash activate. So this is my virtual environment. So it's currently running in my QR code generator. So after that, I'm gonna run my application. By that, you can see that using Python space app.py. So it's currently running on my port of HTTP colon double slash 127.0.0.1 in the port of 5000. So let me redirect to the website. Wait a second. So let me run this. So currently running on my local host of 171.0.0.1, which is on the port of 5000. So let me go on that. So this is my QR generator. So if I enter some YouTube link, you can see that. So I'm just sending a video, which is a new official song of this link. I'm just pasting this URL into my QR generator. Generates me. So this is my QR code. So if I scan it, I can get my link to the port of a powerhouse of Kohli and new song released by you. So that's all about my project. And after that, I can show a demonstration of how this runs in my Docker Hub. So I need simply to I first closes this my port. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just pull my so already I uploaded into my Docker Hub. So what I'm gonna do is I just pull my Docker image to my Docker. So the Docker image pulling command is docker pull my username, which is Ruby96 slash qrcode. Generator. So it currently pulling my image from the Docker app, which is a QR code generator. So let me wait. So let us wait. So let me full the Docker image from the Docker app, which is the command I use is docker pull 96 slash okay. It's currently pulling my image into Docker. So after pulling my image, this is my code to run my Docker image. So I'm just entering. So wait a minute, it is due to I'm already running this image into my port. So you can see that this is my port. So if I go to this, so here is my project. So this is my YouTube link. Just this is my generator. I pulled it. I pushed my app.py into my Docker hub. So I can easily access my image through anywhere so any of the system. So it is a system independent. So I can use Docker. So I used Docker to Docker is my image, and I can use my website into any water. So any in the system, which is Mac, Linux, or Windows. So thank you.